Been working on a new PC build. Well, I say new, I've been upgrading my old PC's motherboard. So it's a standard micro ATX case. It's kind of boring, I know. It's just, I can't quite afford a gaming case. But on the inside, you'll see it's kind of chocker. You're going to laugh at my cable management because I've got none. So this is it. This is the job itself. That's what it looks like on the inside. This beast here is a Freezer Extreme, Arctic Freezer Extreme CPU cooler. This black section is a fan, and these are two giant heat sinks either side with copper pipes running through them. This thing is amazing. It's actually cooling my system to the point where I can play like quite graphic intensive games and process intensive games, like full spec, and this thing just barely makes a noise. It's amazing. Then we've got the other part of the build is the 700 watt PSU, which is cool because before I only had a smaller one, which couldn't power all of this at all. I've also got a 750 Ti graphics card, which is also very nice. I upgraded my RAM in the back. Unfortunately, this motherboard can only support 8GB of RAM maximum, so I maxed it out. I might upgrade the motherboard later, but for the moment I'm okay with 8GB of RAM. It's still a hell of a lot faster than it was before. I was only running 4, so yeah, and that's it. That's the build so far. I might get a case, I might get a new motherboard, and I might get an SSD. I can't decide. I'm a bit stuck financially, so we'll see what happens. And yes, I know that's dust. I've still to have a go at it with an air duster. I left it in my bloody house, so. Yes. Also, does anyone know, like I've got these CPU fan connectors here on the motherboard. So the top one's a CPU fan, and the bottom one is just the case fan. I want to connect more than one case fan. I want to have another case fan on the front, underneath here. There's vents on this side. I want to have a case fan over there, so I can have air coming into the front and then out in the back, so I can have a proper airflow thing going on. Because I'd like to get some actual cooling on the go, as opposed to just, one drawing air out of something that doesn't really have any air going into it. I'd like to get like a through draft of air. Yes. I'm rambling now. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.